If a cell is having G subcell, okay, which is correct statement about the principal quantum number n of this cell, okay. What should be the value of n for G subcell? Okay, n value should be less than 5, yeah, more than 5, yeah, equal to 5, yeah, cannot be determined. Okay, always keep in mind, if n value is given there, we can determine L value, and by using L value we determine subcell. L is what? azimuthal quantum numbers. So first of all, we consider, n value is less than 5 is there. So if n value I consider less than 5, so let's say I consider n value is for 4. Now we can determine L value. So always keep in mind, L value depends on n value. L value is always less than n value by 1 unit. This is the formula we have, 0, and it is what? n minus 1 is there. We have to always start L value from 0. 0, 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So maximum value of L can be 3. So 0, 1, 2, and it is 3 is there. These are the values of L. From here we can determine subcell. If L value is 0, subcell will be S. 1, P subcell, 2, D subcell, 3, F subcell is there. From here it is very clear. If n value is 4, so G subcell is not possible, only these subcells are possible, S, P, D, F. Then we can go for 5 value. N is equal to 5 is there. So L value will be what? 0, 1, 2, and it is 3, and it is 4 is there. L value is always less than n value by 1 unit. From here you can get S orbital, P orbital, D orbital. This is what? F orbital. For 4, L value is 4. So what is the orbital? There should be one beyond F orbital. So it can be G subcell, yeah, it can be some other subcell is there. But possibility is there, G can be there, G cannot be there. Okay, maybe L value is what? 15, then G subcell is coming, but that possibility is not there. L value is 6, then G subcell is coming. Means possibility of G subcell is starting from L value 4. Okay, if L value is 5 is there, L value 6 is there, the possibility of G subcell will be there. But if L value is 3, maximum value 3, so up to 3 it is very clear G subcell is not possible. Okay, so here we get n value should be equal to 5. In this case, possibility of G subcell is there. Yeah, if n value is greater than 5, then the possibility of G subcell is there. So you can see which option is correct. Option B is correct. Option B is correct. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to the channel.